Today I'm going to replace brake loader and brake since I'm pad test enough, but if you look at the loader, it's not in really good condition. I haven't replaced for the really long time, so I felt a little bit fade when I braking it. So I'm gonna insert brand new loader and brand new pad. So I posted how to change the brake pads last time. So once you lift this, you can change the pad on it, but I'm gonna remove this caliper bracket. Then I'm gonna replace this loader, everything together. So it's a pretty I'm not gonna say easy because sometimes the bolt doesn't lose. This is 40 millimeter. This is 40 millimeter. This is 19 millimeter that you can hold if it spins. There's another one pin bolt at the bottom right here. So you remove this, you remove that, and you lift up this caliper and remove the brake pads. And there's another bolt here, right here. I think that's 19, 17. So you need to remove these two bolts at the, there's another one at the bottom. So you just remove these two. Then you remove this bolt. Then hit the loader with a hammer a few times, then it get loose. Then you can take out the loaders. So I'm gonna do that right now. Oh my god, it's so tight. Spins.
The only thing I could ever think of that was like I could put on me and it would never change, but I don't want it, is family. It's like my family stuff. So Meadows Crest. I told you sometimes. I had it made. I never showed you. Wow, yeah, so
How you doing?
How you doing? I had an artist. I was doing beautiful on.
So it was really tight, so you remove the wheel. It's no big issues. So take it out. Make sure you don't lose it. There's the bottom one. Once you lose, you can put the side like this. Take out the guide pin. Shims. use a flat screwdriver to pry this out. There you go. It has a past life left, but since I'm going to replace rotor, so I'm just going to replace a brand new pads together. Okay. And now remove these pins because we're going to use the new ones. Just pry it off like this. Yes, right off. Same thing. Pry it off like that. Then use a wire brush to clean this here. It's all the dust is there, and make sure this pin's moving freely. Make sure it doesn't get stuck. If it gets stuck, then take out the pin. You can just pull out, then the pin is gonna come out. Make sure that boot doesn't get damaged, otherwise you have to get a new one. So I'm just gonna pry this a little bit, making sure like this. See? Then you can slide the pin out. So I'm gonna clean this and put the insert back there. So I'm gonna put it inside. We don't want this caliper to fall down, so use something like this. And hang on to something like yeah, like that. Then even if it falls, it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so you hold it there. Now we're gonna remove this what is it, rotor. So we need to take out this bolt. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but I'm gonna use the impact guard. It makes my life easier. So make sure left it. And here's a 19, but it doesn't get fit. So I'm gonna use this joint. There you go. Okay, let me try the bottom first, because top one is not buzzing it. Holy shit. So this case I'm gonna use a breaker bar. Okay. I'm gonna use W40. gonna wait like 2 minutes. Now it got loose. I don't know. Previous person probably talked to like over 100 pounds, I think. Now it's moving. I'm gonna do the upper side. There you go. Not bad. Now it's loose. Now I'm gonna use the impact to make process easier. There you go. That one. Go. Okay. There you go. Now you can remove this. So this is good habit that you just insert bolt here, so in case, so you don't lose it. So I'm gonna put this thing on side here. Also, like I mentioned, with the wire brush, clean here where it clips. So like this. So this bolt is really probably seized up a lot, so it's a good idea to do the like a penetrate oil, like a WD-40. So spray it, wait a little bit, then use a really good screwdriver. Do not use a drill driver. You're gonna mess up the teeth. You're never going to take it out. Then you have to drill it out. So sometimes it doesn't work. So I drill this out, then take out the bolt. When you install back this rotor, I don't use this bolt because you don't need to. Because once long nut is tightened up, this is hold into place. So it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna take this out. And one of the good habits is hammering this, so because it got probably stuck onto the back side of the surface. So let me do that. Have the good grip. If I spin more, it's gonna what is it? It's gonna mess it up, so I'm gonna use the flat. go. If you look at it, it got damaged, but I was lucky enough to take this out. So when you use a screwdriver, you should really have the good grip to making sure it fits tight. There's no play with it. Then you don't have to drill this out. So now you can take this out. So I'm gonna hammer this. Now you see. Now I can easily take this out. Now also wire brush area over here and surface here, and good idea to have the anti-seize lubricate on here. Then next time you don't have a trouble taking this out the rotor. This one is really easy to take it out, but sometimes it doesn't. So making sure that use the anti-seize on here, then next time it's easily taken out. So now it's reverse order. You put the new rotors back in, but making sure that this little hole is matching to the new rotor. So let me put the new rotor and show you how it goes. So before you put the new rotor, clean the new rotor. Sometimes it has oil, so use the brake cleaner fluid to clean that up. Then you use a paper towel to clean the all the overspread it. Then you just put that back in. So let me do that right now. So I cleaned the brake cleaner with the rotor surface, then wiped it out with a paper towel. Then like I mentioned, if you look at the rotor, there's a small holes here, and this is the what is it, that screwdriver that holds, but I'm not gonna install it, so it doesn't really matter. So making sure that the little hole is matching up here and there. So I install it like this, then it matches the hole. But I'm gonna take it out again because I forgot to lubricate on the this area and wire brush it. So let me do that.
So like I mentioned, wire brush it, making sure the surface is clean.
I thought I was taking the video, sorry about that. So I lubricate with the anti-seize, and if you see the little silver color here, I anti-seize there, so where it meets lower and the hub, so it doesn't get stuck next time I reinstall. So I put the rotor back in and put the two long nuts to hold this little rotors. So when you put this caliper back in, so it doesn't interfere with the rotor. So before I do that, I'm gonna clean this here with a wire brush. You can spray some WD-40 or penetrate oil and use a wire brush to clean this thing off. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna put this caliper back in. So pretty much at this point it's reverse order. So after you put this thing back in, put the new brake pads in. I want to go over is you have to, I don't know, you can see it. Here you go. Now you see it. This is a caliper piston that you need to push back inside. It's almost impossible to do it by hand. You can use either C-clamp or like this piston retractable tool that I bought. It's like $5, $10. So you can use old pad like this and put like this and go like that. And you slowly spin it to push back in. When you do that, please open the cap of the brake fluid. It might overflow, but most cases it's not going to, because it's already, you know, one pass, so brake fluid is a little bit down. So once, because new brake pad goes in, then brake fluid is gonna rise up a little bit. So you shouldn't worry about it, but I don't want to build the pressure up there because I'm pushing into the piston back in. So I'll lose the brake fluid cap a little bit and open it up a little bit. Then, you know, just in case, it's not really super necessary, but it's good practice that you do that. So I'm gonna do that and see what happens. Okay. So I'm pushing in. I don't know, you can see it, but piston is slowly going into caliper. See, it's all went inside. It's also good practice the wire brush here. Don't wire brush on the here rubber. Don't wire brush it here. You can do the metal part inside here, but not the rubber boot, because it, you know, it get damaged. Then you have to rebuild it up, or you have to buy a whole this piston brand new. So just don't touch it if you don't know what you're doing it, and don't spray anything here like a brake cleaner. It's not good for the rubber, so don't do that. And you can wire brush here, the metal part here, that you can do that. So I'm gonna clean everything up and do the reverse order. Pretty much this is how you install the brand new rotor and brand new pad. Pad is I already posted previously, so you can take the video as a reference. So this is installing the new rotor and brake pads for second generation of RDX, which is 2013 to 2019, I think. So it's not only RDX, but other brake job is very similar. So this is a good guide to, if you don't know if you're first time using doing the DIY for the replacement of the rotors, should be no problem doing it, and you can save maybe a couple $100 instead of going to the dealer and doing it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for me. Thank you.